What's up, guys? Tony back from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and we have a question from somebody. Seems like he's a newbie. He's saying, "Hey Tony, I have a 2 horsepower, 29 gallon, 150 psi compressor. It reminds me of those little Craftsman compressors, and a high pressure, low gravity spray gun." I think what he's saying is high volume, low pressure spray gun. What is the best way to set it for paint pressure? Number one, if you're using a small air compressor like this, okay, 2 horsepower, 29 gallons, very small volume here, and your horsepower, it's probably pumping out very low CFM. So you really want to look for a low volume, low pressure spray gun. That's what you really want to be spraying with, because the high volume, low pressure is going to be consuming too much air, and you're going to use up your air in your tank really quickly. So I would advise to look into that. So here we have an article at Zoolaa.com, a great article. So if you just go to Zoolaa, Zoolaa.com, and you click on videos and articles, you'll end up on this page. I'll also drop the link below this video if you are on YouTube watching. So click the description link if you go below, and it'll take you to this where you can watch this YouTube video where we talk about best small 20-30 gallon air compressors for auto painting, and we get into the details of it. And then there's another article that talks about high volume, low pressure versus low volume, low pressure spray guns. And that. So hopefully this helps you out. This is going to be a lot more helpful, the video anyway, because you can watch this video where we get in depth about everything on compressors and spray gun settings. Okay, and if we go back here and we click on this one, okay, we talk about spray gun settings and everything in this article. I got a stupid gnat flying around here. Okay, and how to do everything here. So pretty much you want to use a low volume, low pressure spray gun. If you're shopping for a spray gun, I would definitely check out this stupid gnat. Check out Zoolaa.com and click you could look into the X20 is a very good spray gun, or the X27 low volume, low pressure, guys. This is the one you want to be looking at, the low volume, low pressure MP version. And then here's the X27. This is the top of the line model that Adam makes. Very, very good, high standard, high performing spray gun here. Again, you're going to want to get the low volume, low pressure version, which consumes a lot less air. Okay, as far as settings, normally you want to be spraying with about 26 to 27 psi with your low volume trigger pulled. So we have step-by-step videos of this as well at LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We click on spray gun settings, and you'll be able to find a ton of step-by-step videos with spray gun settings. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one, and we have a few pages of this how to set up your spray gun. So all you got to do is click the link at the top right of this video here to check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com and get a free auto body manual as well, or the link down below where you can check out these articles and other videos that'll help you basically set up your spray gun. We have everything on step-by-step videos actually right over here. Okay, so again, to recap, you want to look into a low volume, low pressure spray gun, preferably the X20 model or the X27 if you decide to go with Adam. I highly recommend them. It's a good medium grade gun that'll get you high performance results. Let's see. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Okay. And as far as your tank size, you can definitely paint a motorcycle or half of a car with something like this. The only problem is because your air tank is so small, you're going to have to play catch up and wait for your air compressor to recharge and fill up your tank. to continue painting. You know, I've actually painted a complete car with a 29 gallon. You know, I've done it. You just have to basically time yourself, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Okay, it's not impossible. Let's see. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Like the video, share, subscribe, turn on notifications for more videos like this. There's a ton of content out there that I want to just answer for you and help you out. Okay? Talk soon, guys. Have a great day. Bye.